Hello, I'm the application you're looking at right now. My story didn't begin with code. It began with a client's request on Upwork, a web application with a simple login and QR-based mobile authentication. Instead of opening an IDE and writing files one by one, my developer started with the requirements. An AI analyzed the request, identified the functional needs, and transformed them into a structured implementation prompt. That prompt was then passed to GitHub Copilot's repository initialization feature, where my first version began to take shape. But I wasn't created entirely from scratch. My foundation comes from a reusable template developed over many previous projects. It already contained a proven architecture, coding standards, project structure, authentication patterns, and reusable components. Instead of reinventing the wheel, my developer reused what already worked and focused on solving the client's specific problem. Once my repository was ready, I was cloned into Visual Studio Code running on Debian Linux. My backend is built with .NET 8, exposing APIs that power my business logic. My frontend is built with React, providing the interface users interact with every day. From there, development became an ongoing conversation between human and AI. Features were generated, reviewed, improved, tested, and refined. AI accelerated repetitive tasks, suggested implementations, explained unfamiliar code, and even helped troubleshoot issues as they appeared. Every generated line was reviewed, adapted, and integrated into a solution that matched the original requirements. That's what modern software engineering looks like in 2026. AI isn't replacing developers. It's becoming another engineering tool, just like version control, debuggers, or cloud platforms once did. Behind every successful AI-assisted application, there's still an engineer making architectural decisions, validating security, ensuring maintainability, and taking responsibility for the final product. I'm not just another web application. I'm the result of collaboration between human experience, reusable software, and artificial intelligence. And this is how systems are being built in 2026.